Today I would like to present this unique penthouse unit in the new House condominium in Sukhumvit Road. The building was constructed in 1994 and it has 15 floors. It's across the street from where the British Embassy used to be, and there's going to be construction for the upcoming years. The size of this unit is 300 square meters, which is 3,229 square feet. The original rental price for this unit was 180,000 Thai baht per month, but because of the construction the price came down to 140,000. The unit has been completely renovated in the past year and literally everything inside is new. The building you see here on the left is the central Chidlom mall. The mall is located directly at the Chidlom BTS station. There are 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. All 3 bedrooms in this unit have a private bathroom. The unit comes completely furnished and is ready to move in. The spacious kitchen has a nice kitchen island and is fully equipped with a microwave, an oven and a ceramic hob. The fridge will be delivered this week. If you're interested in renting this apartment, feel free to connect with us. Our contact details are on top of this video. We are more than happy to provide you with more details or arrange a viewing. At Sukhumvit Homes, we are specialists in high-end rental apartments in Bangkok. Just let us know what you're looking for and we will present you all the units that fit your requirements.